everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I'm going to share this make with you. It was made from fabric gifted to me by Minerva, so let's get started. First of all, welcome back to the channel. If you are returning, if you're new here, then hi, my name is Denise and this is my channel for all things sewing and fashion related. I share what I've made. I give tips and hints and tricks on how to improve your sewing. I try to provide some inspiration for you as well. But let's get to the point of this video, and I wanted to share this make with you. It is made from fabric I was gifted by Minerva. They are a fabric store that is located in the UK, and periodically I am gifted fabric by them, and this is what I chose this time around. And what I made is the Lexington. This is by Sewing in the City. It's a PDF pattern. This is just the printout of the different pattern pieces here, or different pattern options, and I believe that now I've made all of them. This was the first one that I did. I've made the short sleeve, which is this, and the long pants, which is also this. And I don't believe I've made the long sleeve shirt yet, but I believe I've made the shorts. So you get all of this in the pattern, which is actually really, really good. Now, for this particular fabric, it is a viscose challis. It is called Palm Plantation Viscose Challis. As I said, it's a Minerva exclusive fabric, I believe. And it's this black and white print here that is fantastic for loungewear. Now, I have written a post for Minerva that is over on their website, and I will share a link with you for that post if you want to go check that out. This dress that I'm wearing also is a previous make that I did for Minerva that I was gifted this fabric as well. This is also a viscose challis, which I just love. It is lightweight, it is flowy, it's breathable, so it's not like some lightweight fabrics, but then you really start to sweat because you feel like it's just trapping all the moisture. It's not like that. This viscose challis is just really nice and perfect for springtime and summer. Now, with this particular make, my first part of it was to make the pant. I knew I wanted to make some kind of pants from this print. And it's a palm print that's in black and white. So I knew I wanted to make some kind of pants because, like I said, it's a nice flowy type of fabric. So I wanted something that would really accentuate that. So that's why I did the pants first. And after I made the pants, I still had enough fabric left over to make a top. So I didn't have enough for the long sleeve. So I did choose the short sleeve top here, and it's such a cute set. I really haven't been able to wear it, or I really haven't worn it just yet because it is still winter when I'm filming and it is cold. So once the weather warms up though, I am really looking forward to having this available so that I can wear it. It's super comfortable. There are inseam pockets in the pants. There is a pocket which I always forget. It's not even shown on the pattern envelope, but there is a pocket that you can put on the chest. I always forget, honestly, because usually the fabric that I've used has a big print on it, so it's not something that you would actually see, or certainly not anything that I'm going to use. So I did not put that on there. Even though I cut it out, I completely forgot to add it. But yeah, there are inseam pockets for the pattern, inseam pockets in the pants, which is nice. Now, I did put elastic at the bottom of the hem, which is as the pattern shows you. But I've also made those pants without the elastic at the hem. So you can do that either way. It's an option, and I chose to go ahead and do it this time since I didn't do it before. So it's very easy to do. Now, something else I will say about this particular pattern is that it is very oversized, and she says that it is an oversized pattern. Let me read what it says here. The Lexington pajamas have a timeless, sporty, 90s inspired silhouette, yet with a feminine vibe. The trousers and shorts have a relaxed fit with elastic waist, and the trousers have optional elastic at the lower leg openings. Side pockets are a must-have. The top and nightshirt have a relaxed fit with a notched collar, button front, and short and long sleeve options. The shirt hems to the hip and the nightdress to the knee. And that's true. I think, like I said, I've made, I believe, all of those. Now, it is a very oversized pattern. So rather than make what technically would be my size, I went down, I believe, about 2 sizes, maybe 3 sizes, and based this on the finished garment measurements. So looking at the finished garment measurements, that is the size that I cut out. And it's honestly, it's the perfect size for me. So instead of making what would be maybe a 10 or a 12, I believe, I went down to an 8. So that is something to keep in mind if you are interested in this particular pattern, that it is very oversized. So you want to make sure, take a look at those garment measurements before you start to cut out anything. But I love this set. The fabric is fantastic, super comfortable, and easy, very easy to sew. It also washes and dries really well so that there's very little to no ironing. That's also something that I always take into consideration, but it's fantastic. So as always, you are going to see pictures throughout. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions about anything that you've seen here. Any questions that you have for me, please leave them down below in the comments. And go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. Go ahead, hit the notification bell. And I thank you all for your time. I thank you for hanging out with me. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.